Regards. My name is Heiner Urquijo, Industrial Engineering student. I told you that will travel in December to the beautiful city Bucaramanga. I already has our reservation at Nata Holiday Inn. I will bring wares to my beautiful sister. It's so travel to visit my sister. We have a shoot schedule. By that fast on the ration. That track and schedule shoe medium precious. Try money photographer requests for my collection files. Thank you for your attention.